Hi guys, today we are doing probability applications. If coins are tossed, so first we'll go with if one coin is tossed. If one coin is tossed. So in my previous video, I explained you without using formula. Now we are going to use formula. So let P of A, probability of A is equals to number of favorable outcomes divided by total total number of possible outcomes. So question is now find the probability of getting one head if one coin is tossed. So now you have to write all the possibilities. A is equals to if one coin is tossed, what are the possibilities? One is head and another one is tail. Now find the probability of getting one head right according to the formula. Denominator what you have to write? Total number of possible outcomes. How many are there? Two are there, right? Two. I think what you have to find out, find the probability of getting one head in this set, in this candidate possibilities. How many heads are there? Only one head, so one head. Same like that only. One more question. Find the probability of getting one tail if one coin is tossed. Same. P of A is equals to, in denominator you have to write total number of possible outcomes. And here question is what? Find the probability of getting one tail. One tail, how many are there? One. So it is 1 by 2. So here, if one coin is tossed, possibility questions are done. Now next we are going with if two coins are tossed. Now you write the possibilities. If two coins are tossed at a time. So if it was tossing at a time, for one coin you are getting head, for another coin also you are getting head. At a time means that is one set. And next another set, one time you get tail and another time also you get tail. And third time, one time you'll get head, one time you'll get tail. And another one time you'll get tail, one time you'll get head. Most of the students will get confused here that already you got head tail and tail head, both are not same. This head is for one coin and this tail is for another coin. Similarly, this tail is for one coin and head is for another coin. So both are not same. Now we'll say find the probability, find the probability of getting one head if two coins are tossed. Now P of A is equals to total, how many are there? Possibilities 1, 2, 3, 4. So first you write denominator total number of possibilities, and now you go for the question what you want. Find the probability of getting one head. One head, how many are there? This, this, and this. Two are there. Is equals to 1 by 2. Next, find the probability of getting untailed if two coins are tossed. That is common here. P of A is equals to total number of possibilities 4. And here our question is what? Find the probability of getting one tail. One tail, how many are there? 1 and 2. Okay. 2 by 4 is equals to 1 by 2. Next. Third one. Find the probability of getting two heads. P of A is equals to if two coins are tossed. This question is whatever we are doing now, it's completely if two coins are tossed. P of A in denominator 4. Two heads, how many are there? Only one. So then this will be 1 by 4. Next, find the probability of getting two tails. P of A is equals to total number of possibilities 4. Now we have to find out two tails. Two tails, how many are there? Only one. So 1 by 4. Next, find the probability of getting at most, first we'll go with at least one head. At least one head means one head should be compulsory. One is compulsory. It can go with more. At least means one head means one and above. At least one. One is compulsory. So P of A is equals to total is 4. At least one means one should be compulsory. So we are going with one head, right? So then this will be 1, 2. Here also 1 is there. So 3 out of 4. Next. Sixth one. Find the probability of getting at least two heads. So P of A is equals to at least two heads. At least two heads means two is compulsory, two and above. Two and above, anything is there? Nothing is there. Only one is there. So total is 4. And here, this is the only one condition we have. 1 by 4. Next. Find the probability of getting at least one tail. P of A is equals to total is at least one tail means tail should be compulsory. One tail is compulsory. So 1, 2, and here also another tail is there. So this is 1, this is 1, and this is 1. Total how many are there? 3 are there. 3 out of 4. Next. eighth one. Find the probability of getting at most one head. At most means at most one head means one is the highest. One is the highest means you can take 1 comma 0. Now P of A is equals to total 4. At most one head means one should be the highest. Here one should be the highest. So this is highest one here. 1 and at least this is also 1 and 0 means this one, because here two heads are there, but our at most means our highest value is what, 1 only, but we are getting 2 here, so we should not consider this. So 3 out of 4. Next, and find the probability of getting at most 2 heads. P of A is equals to total is 4. Now condition is at most 2 heads. That means 2 should be the highest. So you should go with 2 should be the highest means 2, 1 and 0. So everything will get 4 out of 4 is equals to 1. Next, tenth one. Find the probability. Find the probability of getting at most one tail. So P of A is equals to total is 4. At most one tail. One tail means one should be the highest. So you have to take 1 comma 0. So now here you are getting at most one tail. So at most one tail means this one you can take. This one you can take at most one tail and no tail also. No tail is this one. So total how many are there? 3 out of 4. Next. Find the probability of getting at most 2 tails. So P of A is equals to 4. Now here at most 2 tails. So 2 should be the highest. 2 tails should be the highest. So 2, 1 and 0. So that means 2, 1, 0 we have to take. So you are getting 4 out of 4 is equals to 1. So now if 2 coins are tossed, done. Next, if 3 coins tossed. So tossed means question will be tossed at a time. If 3 coins tossed at a time. So when we are doing this one, I gave you one easy method in my previous video. So that is first tail, tail, tail. Not only tail, tail, tail. You can add head, head, head also. That doesn't matter. So if you are adding head, 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 wherever you are getting tail, there you will get head. Wherever you are getting head, there you will get head. So tail means one, two, three, four. Four tails, and next four heads. One, two, three, four. The same thing you can do in reverse way also. That means head, 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 tail, 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 tail. Now here two tails, two heads, two tails, two heads. One tail is there, one tail, one head, one tail, one head, tail, head, tail, head. Now questions. First one. Find the probability of getting three heads. So now P of A is equals to total how many are there? 8. In this, find the probability of getting three heads. Three heads, only one condition. So 1 out of 8. Next. Find the probability of getting three tails. P of A is equals to total is 8. Find the probability of getting three tails, right? Three tails, how many are there? Only one. Again, 1 out of 8. Next. Find the probability of getting no tail. No tail means in that tail should not be there. Here tail is there, tail is there, tail is there, tail is there, everywhere tail is there except here. So P of A is equals to 1 by 8. Next, find the probability of getting no head. So P of A is equals to 8. So no head means 1 only again. No head means this one, right? Tail, tail, tail. In this, no head is there. In each and every cases, head is there. So only in one case head is not there. That is 1 by 8. Next, 3 done. No head, no tail is done. Now we'll go with 2. I didn't remember the number of, I think 4. Fifth one. Find the probability of getting two heads. So P of A is equals to. Here don't need to write A. Anything you can write, but here you have to mention A equals to. That means you are writing A. If you are writing B here, you can write B. So find the probability of getting two heads. Two heads in how many cases you are getting? One head, two head, two head, two head. So getting 3 out of 8. Next, sixth. Find the probability of getting two tails. T of A is equals to, total is 8. Now getting two tails. 1, 2, 3. 3 out of 8. Find the probability of getting one head. T of A is equals to, total is 8, one head. So one head condition is what? 1, 2, so 2 out of 8 is equals to 1 by 4. Next, find the probability of getting one tail. So P of A is equals to, total 8 here, right? So one tail. One tail, one tail, but two, it should be 3. One more is there, no? This is 3. Now find the probability of getting one tail. 1, 2, 3. 3 out of 8. Next, I will go with at most and at least. Find the probability, 9th, I think. Find the probability of getting at most one head. At most one head means you have to take 1 comma 0. So one head means 1 comma 0 means first we'll go check the one head. One head, 1, 2, 3, done. And 3, one head done. And next no head also you have to take this one. So P of A is equals to, total is 8. So now what are the possibilities? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 8 is equals to 1 by 2. Next, find the probability of getting at most one tail. So that is also 1 comma 0. 1 should be the highest. Then P of A is equals to, total is 8. one tail will check 1, 2, and 3. Zero tail is here 4. 4 out of 8 is equals to 1 by 2. Next, find the probability of getting at most 2 heads. 2 should be the highest. 2 comma 1 comma 0 you have to take. So, 2 heads. 2 heads 1, 2, 3, and next 1 head 1, 2, 3, and next 0 head is this one. So P of A is equals to total 8, but you are getting how many are getting 7. 7 out of 8. Same type question again. 12. Find the probability of getting at most 2 tails. At most 2 tails means 2 should be the highest. 2, 1, 0. Now P of A is equals to, the condition is what? At most 2 tails. Most 2 tails means 2 should be the highest. 2 tails will check. 1, 2, 3. 2 tails is done. And next 1 tail. 1, 2, 3, and next no tail is 0. So divided by 8, then this will be 7 out of 8. Next, find the probability of getting at most 3 heads. So that means you have to take 3, 2, 1, 0. For this no need to check, because each and every case will come is equals to 8 out of 8 is equals to 1. Find the probability of getting at most 3 tails. Same condition, 3, 2, 1, 0. That means P of A is equals to 8 out of 8 is equals to 1. So till now we finished at most, we'll do at least. Find the probability getting at least one head. So at least one head means one should be the least. That means condition will be one is compulsory, two and three you can write. Now P of A is equals to, so total conditions divided by 8, and now we should check this one. At least one head. So one is there, one is there, one is there, one is there. At least one means even if two also, three also we have to take. One is there, here one is there, here also one is there. Total how many? 7 out of 8. I think this is 15th. No, 16. Find the probability of getting at least one tail. Same. P of A is equals to, at least one head means you are getting 7 out of 8. At least one tail also you will get same, 7 out of 8. Next, find the probability of getting at least two heads. So at least two heads means two is compulsory. At least means two should be compulsory or more. 2, 3. Then P of A is equals to, total is 8. I will check. At least two heads. Two heads should be compulsory. Here only one head is there. Should not take this. Here also one we should not take. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 8 is equals to 1 by 2. Next. Find the probability of getting at least two tails. P of A is equals to, for two heads how you got, similarly you will get for tail also. That means 4 out of 8 is equals to 1 by 2. Next. 20th question. Find the probability of getting at least 3 heads. 3 heads is minimum. That means 3 is compulsory. So we don't have 4 or 5 like that, right? So we should go only with 3 heads. So P of A is equals to, total is 8. So 3 heads, only 1 out of 8. Next, 20. Find the probability of getting at least 3 tails. So at least 3 tails means, so only one condition is there. P of A is equals to 1 by 8. So these are the possibility of questions getting if coins are tossed. In next video we will do if one dice is thrown and two dice are thrown. Okay, thank you guys.